Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to do it on TikTok with a saved video in gallery. All right guys, no doubt the only recognized way to do it on TikTok is using videos on TikTok but not saved ones in your gallery. But then if you want to use saved videos in your phone gallery, it's still possible. All right, as you know, for example, if you want to do it with any of these video here on TikTok, you just have to click on the share icon, and then you'll find the option to do it right here at the bottom of your screen. If you click on that, then you can record a clip and add to this video. But what if you want to do it with videos you have already on your phone gallery? Now, if you want to do that, all you have to do is to download this app that I'm going to show you right now. It's a third-party app. All right, but this does not work the same way the duet feature on TikTok works, so you have to understand that. Now if you want to make use of that, if you want to duet with a saved video in your gallery, you just have to go to Play Store and download a video collage app. All right, so go ahead and download a video collage app. Well, once you install any of these video collage app, then you have to choose the format you want to use inside the app, and then you can now save and then edit. You can edit the video, save, and then you can now upload on TikTok. So guys, this is the only way you can do it with a saved video on TikTok. Hope this guide was helpful to you. If it was, give it a like. Also, if you have any questions regarding this video, let me know in the comment section. But then please subscribe, get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.